This tutorial will demonstrate how to run a report in PD360 that shows your rating based on each observation conducted using the 4-domain educator practice rubric. You can use this report to support your end-of-year self-reflection rating on the educator practice goal. First, log into PD360. Once in, click on Observations. It should automatically default to Observations of Me. Once there, scroll down to view the observations that have been conducted on you. Select the observation that is most current. Once you do that, you'll be brought to this screen. In the right-hand corner of the screen, you'll see View Progress Report. Click on that button, and your progress report beginning date and end date will appear. You want to make sure that the beginning date is before this school year and that the end date reflects the current date that you're running the report. This will capture all observations that were conducted within that time frame. Once you run the report, this report will appear, and it shows your progress over time based on each evaluation that was conducted on you in every area in which there was a score. So you can see here for Domain 2, in 2A, this educator was observed 3 times. The very first time they received a developing, the second time a developing, and the third time a proficient. If you go over to the average column, you will begin to see the average of those 3 scores. I do ask that you please dismiss the current rating column. That column is an inaccurate column and does not serve us any purpose whatsoever in our processes. So we do need to ignore that column. But if you do go over to the average column, you will see here for Domain 2 that this report does calculate the overall average here in Domain 2. So if you were to add up and calculate 2A through 2E, you would get this number right here. To find out your overall average for Domain 2, you would then divide this number by 5. I believe that would round up to a 2.9. And then when you scroll down, you will see similarly the same information for Domain 3. And the same rules apply. Please disregard this column right here with the 17 and the 3s. And please go right over to the average column. And this will show you your kind of overall average to date. Although what's most important is that we look at this as a growth model and you start to see how you've performed over time. And that is very important. But for the sake of getting some type of calculation to help substantiate your rating for the end of year educator practice goal, you can start to take these numbers and use them to kind of get a sense of where you are within each of the domains. So that way when you're providing a self-reflection, you can provide it with a little bit of substantiated data as well as other information that will help support why you provided that self-score. This is how you get a report to see your progress over time on the evaluations that have been conducted on you. If you have any questions or need any support running this report, please do not hesitate to contact Stephen Farisi. Please email me or give me a call and I'd be more than happy to help you. Thank you so much.